Go, go, go!
Hit it, Marines! Go, go, go! The Corps ain't paying us by the hour!
Stick to the higher ground to the right. We should be able to recon the Covenant position without being spotted. I've detected Covenant stationary guns near the next pass. I recommend using your sniper rifle to take out the gunners while I call for Marine support.
Get ready to move in to support us, Sergeant. The Master Chief is going to covertly take out as many of the Covenant as he can. Don't open fire until you hear the enemy return fire on us. That should let us keep the element of surprise.
Let him have it!
Alert! A Covenant is making a run for that stationary gun. Take them out!
Right on! Come on!
Stick to the higher ground to the right. We should be able to recon the Covenant position without being spotted. I've detected Covenant stationary guns near the next pass. I recommend using your sniper rifle to take out the gunners while I call for Marine support.
Get ready to move in to support us, Sergeant. The Master Chief is going to covertly take out as many of the Covenant as he can. Don't open fire until you hear the enemy return fire on us. That should let us keep the element of surprise.
Let him have it! Get on it! Guys, come on! Sorry. Here comes one! Let's find him.
Stop. Motion tracker shows movement around the next bend.
We'll be ready to advance as soon as you call for us, Cortana. Hey, we did it! We're right behind you, Chief! Whoa! Keep it up! Show me what you got! Eat this! Firing! Hit the dirt! That was mine! Oh, God! Covering fire! Who wants a piece of me? Firing! I lost him. Nobody on this side. Area secure. I'll find the bastard.
Covenant forces detected up ahead. The path up on the left should let us sneak up around them.
We'll hang back while you get into position, Chief.
Charlie. Move up on the left. You should be able to flank the enemy.
Roger that.
Damn it, dude! Let's do it!
Alert! Covenant dropships are inbound. We're directly under the ship now. The Covenant use a gravity lift to move troops and supplies between the ship and the surface. We need to ambush them at the grav lift's loading zone and use the lift to enter the ship. Cortana to Echo 419, requesting reinforcements at our position.
Roger, Cortana. Echo 419 on approach.
Alert! Covenant dropship. Cortana to Echo 419, requesting reinforcements at our position.
Roger, Cortana. Echo 419 on approach.
Alert! Covenant dropships are inbound.
I need some backup!
Freaks is next!
Hold your fire!
Get out of the way! That's the way to do it. Cavalry has arrived. What the? Take that! Hey, nice shot! Nice shot.
We've secured the area. Let's square away the grab lift. Marines, prepare for boarding action. Yes, sir!
Cortana to Echo 419. We've reached the gravity lift and are ready for reinforcements.
Copy that, Cortana. Hold tight, gentlemen. Bowhammer out.
Once we're inside the ship, I can home in on the captain's command neural interface. He'll probably be in or near the ship's brig, which should narrow our search.
Echo 419 inbound. Clear the drop zone.
Let's do it! Let's go!
The cavalry's arrived!
We're in. I've got a good lock on the captain's CNI transponder. No Covenant defenses detected.
What? There's no Covenant here. Think maybe nobody's home. Nice shot!
There's one!
Contact! Lots of contact! No Covenant. You had to open your mouth. Keep it up. Whoa! Watch it!
Power soldier!
It's me!
Shot!
See that? Next time you guys can help. Ha!
Damn straight. Sorry, soldier. I'm too pretty to die! Drag out!
Nice shot!
Ooh, we've got company!
Contact! Lots of contact! No Covenant. You had to open your mouth. Ooh. What the? Holy crap! We showed them. Hey, I've been saving a little present
Yeah.
for you.
Good one! Bastard! Ooh!
Except for me, huh?
Oh!
I'm going after him. What the? Fire in the hole! Oh, baby! That's the way to do it. All right. Whoa! Hey, huh? Okay. Area secure, sir. We better keep moving. How about that door?
locked, sir. I can't bypass it. Can't get through here.
We could use the side passages to find a way around.
We'd be sitting ducks in that narrow space. We can hold this position if you can find a way around and open the door from the other side, Chief.
Chief, let's see if we can find a way to open this door.